Between August 25th and 28th, 2025, Florianopolis hosted two of the largest technical meetings in Latin America. The Vibration Institute Seminar and DynaSummit, promoted by Dynamox. It was 4 days of immersion, bringing together professionals, specialists, and companies in an environment of innovation and knowledge sharing. In total, 42 lectures delivered high-level content to the audience. We also conducted 52 exclusive interviews, highlighting the main insights from the market. More than 48 hours of technical content were generated. The two events gathered over 300 participants. A true international meeting of maintenance and reliability experts.
São quebras de paradigmas, novos conhecimentos, trocas de ideias, novas formas de pensar.
It's actually been quite incredible. Just to learn how much Dynamox is innovating. It's quite a learning experience to see how the company is changing from year to year.
Espetacular poder juntar muitas empresas conversando sobre nossa solução, debatendo sobre nossa solução, conseguir expor o nosso futuro.
SVI and DynaSummit 2025 were much more than major events. They marked a milestone for the maintenance, reliability, and vibration analysis community. Dynamox thanks everyone who took part of this journey. We hope to see you again in 2026.